Hello, I'm Cliff Brereton from OCF Data. We're here today in the Innovation Alley at Smart Factory Expo. We've talked to a lot of companies over the last year, companies big and small. One of the things that we've observed is that very few of them are actually monitoring their machines in a real-time fashion. So when we ask the question, they say, it's expensive to do that. Our view is it's expensive not to do that. But they say, well, we've got different machines at different ages. So what we've done, and what we're showing here at the show for the first time, is a solution that we've engineered that's not thousands of pounds, it's hundreds of pounds. It can connect to machines that are 50 years old, machines that are brand new, machines that are Italian, machines that are Japanese. It's completely agnostic in terms of the types of machines that it can work on, and it's a low cost. So with Industry 4.0, there are an awful lot more sensors now that are there, and we can connect to all sorts of machines, from lathes, milling machines, bottling lines, packaging lines, look at machines. KTN's been a great help to us in a number of ways. I mean, firstly, we wouldn't be here at the Innovation Alley and being able to meet all the fantastic opportunities from customers that are here today. But they've also been very helpful in signposting us towards academic institutions who might have some research that's valuable to us in developing our products and services, as well as introducing us to potential end users who might be users of our service, and in the meantime can help us develop that service. So it's been a very strong relationship that we've had with KTN, and it's very valuable to us. We've been at the show now for a couple of hours, and we've met about 10 different companies. Some of them are multi-million pound organisations, some of them are very small. Surprising really how many of them have the same kind of challenges. So it's been good to validate the solutions that we've developed with them. They're all very interested, and in fact they're very keen to meet us at their own places later on.